Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in my 2022-2025R. If you look on the side here, there's a sticker and it shows you the various part numbers. And the primary filter is the one we're going to be changing right here, which is this middle number. And I got it right here directly from John Deere. That's it. So I already have the hood popped up. Next thing we need to do is pop this side cover off and just turn this pin counterclockwise, pull it out like so. Okay, this side panel slides towards the rear of the machine like this. Okay, the next step, pull this latch out like that. And you turn this whole unit counterclockwise. It shows you right here to unlock it. Pull it out towards you. That exposes the air filter. Now you grab a hold of the air filter and pull it straight out. This is the secondary air filter. You can check it and clean it if need be. If there's any debris on it, just wipe it off. But if it needs replaced, replace it. If you are going to replace the secondary air filter element, just pull it straight out too, like this. And mine is in really good shape, so I'm not going to replace this one. If you do decide to replace it, the part number again is on the canister lid here. This part number right there, the 504 one, that's the one for the secondary air filter. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like inside here. If you have any debris, give it a quick wipe. A good microfiber towel will work well. Make sure it's clean before you install the filters. Okay, I wanted to point this out real quick. This is the new filter on the inside here. See this pattern here? That has to line up with the other end here inside the air filter housing, that cavity there. So make sure that you're aware of that when you go to install the new filter. Simply pushes straight in. And the new filter slides over top. So I'm going to spin it until it locks in. You can feel it when it stops there. That means you're okay, you're lined up. Go ahead and push it in. And that's good right there. Alright, now we can install the canister cover. Make sure the inside is nice and clean. And then I like to line this up with this orange latch here with this piece of plastic right here in the front, and then turn it clockwise, and then that's locked in. Push that in, you're good to go. This is the service indicator right here. If it's red, you need to change the filter, but after you put your new filter in, all you need to do is reset it on the back side here. Push this in, and that will reset it. And that's it. Okay, before I install this side panel, I want to show you guys. So you have these slots here and down here, right there. It's hard to see because the loader's there, but yeah, those two areas right there. So when you look at this panel here, you have these areas here that help lock it into place on the machine. So what I'm going to do is bring the panel over and line those areas up and then slide it forward and lock it into place. It's hard to see in there, but you get the idea. Now I slid it forward, see, to remove it, you pull it back, and once you slide it forward, it locks in. Now you slide this little pin in, turn it clockwise, and that's it. Shut the hood. That completes it. Okay guys, I hopefully you liked it. Hit the like button if you did. You can check out all of my other John Deere videos. Take care.